How to teach IELTS, the basics. Today we'll start our course with the basics. You should always remember, effective teachers are also persistent learners. Each lesson demands that our facilitation of the preparation process remains undergirded by the phrase, "Be prepared." Expect lessons to go well, but also be prepared for times that they don't. Always have a backup lesson in your arsenal. Always start with an assessment. As in all classroom allocation, IELTS students need to be assessed before placing them in an ideal class, which is best suited to their skill levels. Students have stronger skills in different subjects. Some will be natural speakers, while others will be quieter and may do better at reading. So one way would be to start teaching by bringing all your students together for the first 2 to 3 weeks and teach them IELTS at around the 5.5 band level. This initial 3-week period will allow the students time to settle in and give you time to see how they handle the material. After this initial period, arrange a mock test to see where they really are, so you can form a further 6-week development program for them at the appropriate level. In addition, a mock will give you information to be able to decide whether the group needs to be separated into 2 groups. Trying to teach levels beyond what the students can reasonably be expected to cope with will end in frustration for all concerned. Regular mock tests at the end of a 6-week program will give you much needed feedback and highlight where individual students need to apply more effort. Moreover, regular mocks prepare the students for some of the stresses and strains that the real exam will most certainly bring. So let's start with some orientation towards becoming an IELTS teacher.